A question I often get asked by homeowners is about the timelines when selling a property. What should you expect? After working in real estate for over 2 decades in San Francisco and the Bay Area, it's a question that I get asked often. Hi, I'm Beverly Barnett with Compass Real Estate. First and foremost, it's so important to properly prepare the home prior to listing it for sale. The last thing you want to do is to put the home on the market before it's in show-ready condition. This will give you an idea of a few things that you need to think about before allowing buyers to see your property. When we meet and decide to work together, I will discuss the different strategies I can employ depending on your situation and needs. I will then schedule an appointment with my stager. Together we will walk your property and give you an a la carte list of recommendations to enhance your property's appearance and value to get the maximum return on investment. You decide what you want to do and we take care of the rest. We even have a program that takes care of the upfront cost of preparing the home that you pay back at close of escrow. There's no additional cost to you for the staging consultation or the program, but it's essential because research shows the importance of staging in relation to the price the home will ultimately sell for, as well as how quickly it will sell. When your home is in show-ready condition, I bring in my professional photographer, videographer to enhance the unique features of your home. My floor plan artist does a rendering of the home's layout. Simultaneously, there are off-market strategies that are starting to build that excitement. Once I have the floor plan, the photos, and the videos, I then create a custom website for the property and work on all the back-end digital marketing so I can expose your property to the masses when it's the proper time. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the highest price for your property. I don't just put up a sign and put it on the MLS. It's much more detailed than that. You'll notice actually I rarely use signs on my listings as it affords the homeowner more privacy. I have a comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we utilize. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Did you know that 79% of buyers use social media when searching for real estate? Please know by just posting your home on a Facebook page or a business page, only about 3% of people are seeing it. I properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. During this time, we also recommend and book the necessary inspections and go over all the required disclosures that get added to the disclosure packet for buyers to review prior to making an offer. It's important that these are ready and available for buyers to review so they are aware of the condition of the property prior to putting an offer in on it. We go on all the major sites like Zillow and Realtor.com, you name it, we're there. And my head of marketing enhances these sites to get optimum performance. Once the home is ready and we go live, you can expect agents to book private showings with me to bring their clients through your home. The time of year, price, and market conditions will determine how long it will take for your home to sell. I'm Beverly Barnett with Compass. I love helping clients achieve their real estate goals and getting the highest return on their investment. Reach out if you'd like to schedule a private consultation regarding your property's value. I look forward to hearing from you.